Hi everybody, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I want to give you the overview of Biden's proposed tax plan, which is going to impact immigrant entrepreneurs, especially if you are E2, EB5 and so on, so stay tuned. Coming up. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I want to focus on proposed tax plan when it comes to President-elect Biden, and what are the key points that you need to know, especially if you are entrepreneur, if you are E2 investor, if you are planning on considering E2 investor visa or EB5. So what do you need to know? First things first, I do want to touch on immigration. So not that many changes are happening when it comes to business immigration, when it comes to E2 visa, EB5 and so on. What is going to happen is, if you're familiar with the recent presidential proclamations and the ban impacting L visas, obviously this is going to be removed by Biden, and he plans to remove all the recent executive bans. So if you are, for example, under L visa category and you want to apply for your L visa because you currently don't have the L visa in your passport, once it's removed, you will be able to do that. But when it comes to E2 visa, as you know, E2 visa investors, they don't have issue to enter the country as of now. This is going to stay the same. When it comes to investment, everything will be the same. If you need to review the requirements, I'm going to be linking here videos for you. And I'm also going to be linking a free webinar training below this video. You can check it out, and that webinar training will explain what you need to know if you want to apply for E2 visa. Now let's talk about the taxes. Let's talk about the proposed tax plan for entrepreneurs, business owners, and so on. First things first, I am not CPA, I am not tax attorney. I am focusing on serving E2 investors, business immigration attorney. So for those who don't know me, keep that in mind. So I'm just gonna give you the overview that you need to know. So there is gonna be significant change when it comes to corporate taxes. The corporate tax will be increased from 21% to 28%. Now, when it comes to income tax, there is a significant increase, especially for those who will have income over $400,000 a year. The income tax will be increased to 39.6%, which is significant increase for individuals who personal income is over $400,000. Now, keep in mind that on top of that, you have to add to it additional income, such as the payroll tax, which is going to be 12.4%. If you are an employee, you will share this 12.4 with your employer, so you will pay 6.2 and your employer will pay 6.2. If it's just self-employed individual, you will have to pay 12.4. So when you add 39.6% plus 12.4, it's adding up to 52.6%. Now, this is just the federal tax. So on top of this, you have to include as well additional state tax. So for example, if you are in New York or if you are in California, this will significantly might impact you, and you might end up actually with pretty high number, which could be up to 56% or even more, up to 60%, which is slightly crazy number, right, when you think about it. So now, like I said, I am not tax attorney, I am not CPA, but I do work with many investors, I do work with many entrepreneurs who want to move to US, start a business, and so on. Another information I do want to give you, which is significant information, is that the minimum wage can be increased to $15. So this is going to impact you, whether you should hire a local US citizen, or whether should you outsource people from overseas if you are running online business, or maybe even implement services, implement systems that are automated, right, instead of hiring a local American. So this is definitely going to impact you entrepreneurs who are hiring people, who are building a team. Lastly, my point that I want to make is the capital gain. So the capital gain will be treated as ordinary income, meaning it's going to be taxed at 39.6%. Guys, 39.6%. However, I do want to make clear that this is just the proposed tax plan that Biden has, and Obviously, this needs to go through Congress, and if it doesn't pass by Congress, obviously nothing to worry about, but we're talking about projections, right? We're talking about the proposed tax plan. We're talking about the future, near future, as of now, because Biden is the president-elect as of today when I'm making this video. So guys, if you have any question, comments, please do leave them below. I'm thinking that I might be doing a video collaboration with a friend of mine who is a CPA tax advisor, and we can dive deeper. If you guys are interested, leave a comment below. If you want me to do that video, drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this. I want to hear from you guys. For those who are thinking to apply for E2 visa, for those who need to learn the requirements, I highly recommend that you check out my free training, which is going to be below this video. In my next video, I will talk about the immigration when it comes to the future of immigration when it comes to H-1B visas, also EB2, EB3, and so on. So if you are within this category, definitely stay tuned. Meanwhile, check out these videos here that might be helpful for you, and thank you so much for tuning in again. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit that bell notification button, and if you do like this video, please like it with other people. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.